is Erin. She's 20 months old. My birthplace is Nagpur, and I love to my when it comes to my hobbies, I love to spend time with my family. I love reading, swimming, and going for a good cycling ride. I love meeting people, and now, as I'm a dentist, my clinic name is Dr. Puri's Dental Clinic and Implant Center, which is located at Nantoli, Nagpur. And it's been 6 years we are into this profession, and we at our clinic are a team of highly skilled dentists providing the best of the dental care to our esteemed patients. Now, be it a simple procedure of a tooth filling to the most advanced procedure of a full mouth reconstruction, or be it the youngest member to the eldest member of your family, we believe in giving our best of the dental care. Now, coming to my qualification part, I have completed my graduation in the year 2009 and completed my master's in periodontics, which is a gum disease specialist, and I'm an implantologist in 2014. So it's been 6 years now I'm practicing. And apart from my clinical and professional skills, I also hold very good leadership and entrepreneurship skills. And I am also an academician in few of the various institutes and colleges. And now, when it comes to the social network, Sampark is definitely on the top of the list. And we are also associated with various banks and educational institutions where we regularly organize dental checkups camps and oral health awareness camps for the people. And a year back, before the lockdown, we had organized a dental awareness camp in SFS College. I'm an alumni of that college, and where we had examined more than 400 students and staff. And we also have a very good network with various hospitals where we conduct dental awareness drives. Now, coming to my goal, I aim to make my clinic as one of the best dental clinic in central India, and providing our patients with the best dental care, and using the possible state of art technology and techniques. And we aim to make each patient dental experience as comfortable and as stress-free as possible, and treat every patient as if they are the member of our own family. So, coming to the accomplishments, we have catered a good number of foreigner and NRI patients in the last 5 years. And I was awarded as the best clinician in the year 2017 by the India's highest and most prestigious family award, and was nominated as Entrepreneur of the Year 2019 in these Famdens Awards. Now, my best three customers are the one anyone who is not able to eat properly due to the missing tooth or pain in the tooth, and anyone who hesitates to smile because of the pain in the tooth and wants cleaning of his or her tooth. Anyone who is not happy with his or her smile, we master the art of giving a complete smile makeover that can be life changing. Now, examples of the referral that works best for me is we provide a complete dental solution for the youngest to the eldest member of your family, be it a tooth colored filling, painless single sitting root canal treatment, tooth colored crowns, and dental implant for the missing tooth. Complete smile makeover, we master the art of giving best of dental care to our patients. My best six contact spheres complementing business partners can be makeup artists, fashion designers, pharmacists, dental and medical representative, pediatrician, and anyone who is related to the fashion industry. My memory hook is very simple. When you think of dentistry, just think of us, because your smile means a lot to us. So thank you everyone, and thank you Sampark for giving me this opportunity, and thank you.